Hey there, I'm Melissa with New South Table and welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be learning how to make Southern style potato salad. Now, a couple of pointers. Southerners take their potato salad very seriously. We don't go around putting weird ingredients in our potato salad. So mine will have potatoes, sweet pickle relish, eggs, onions, mayonnaise, and a little mustard, salt, and pepper. We're keeping it simple because Southern food is really all about keeping things simple. It's simple ingredients. Now here in the South, Southerners love potato salad at almost every family gathering, every cookout, every barbecue, every funeral, everything that requires a lot of folks coming together, you'll normally find potato salad on the menu. So stay tuned and let's learn how to make Southern style potato salad. Begin by dicing 1/2 of a red onion. Make sure the pieces are tiny because no one wants a huge chunk of onion in their potato salad. Next, thoroughly wash 5 pounds of potatoes. Now you can use russet, Yukon Gold, or red potatoes for this recipe, but I'm using russet here, and I'm peeling the potatoes. Once you've finished peeling them, you'll rinse them with water again, just to make sure all of that dirt is removed. I just placed mine in a colander so it's easy to rinse them. Now dice the potatoes. You want to make sure the pieces are relatively the same size. This will help them cook at the same rate. Now place the diced potatoes inside a large pot and add a little salt. Cover them with water. Place them on the stove top, bring them to a boil, and cook them uncovered until they are fork tender. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes. Now let's peel the boiled eggs. Once you've finished peeling the boiled eggs, you're going to chop up all of them except for 2. You'll put 2 of the eggs aside to use as a garnish for later. You'll start combining everything into a large bowl. So add the onion, the pickle relish, and the eggs. Give it a big stir. Now we're going to mix in the mayonnaise, and the mustard, as well as salt and pepper and a little paprika. We're mixing these ingredients well before we add the potatoes because that will prevent us from stirring the potatoes too much, causing them to break apart. So give this all a big stir. Now we're going to drain the water off the potatoes and add them to the mixture. Gently stir. Look how creamy. It's delicious. Now take a spatula and clean up around the edges of the bowl, or you can transfer this to another serving dish if you would like. Now take the 2 eggs that you set aside and cut them into quarters. Place those wedges on top of the potato salad and sprinkle it with more paprika. We're just garnishing the dish at this point. And I don't do a very good job sprinkling the paprika here, but I know you will. Now we'll cover this with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a couple of hours before serving. And there you have it. Southern style potato salad. Thank you for watching. See you soon.